Hey guys, we received this Metka insulin cooler travel case for test and try. This is an insulated portable diabetic pouch with two gel ice packs. So reusable, lightweight and durable. Organizer bag cooler for medication or the diabetes pen and supplies. So you see it's a nice zipper bag, very nice bag of the handy thing. It's a compact size, so you can see in the front and bottom. These are the gels for the ice pack, so you can just put it in the freezer to store, and then you can put it in your pen and then other accessories in here, and then store it in this. So typically these ice packs can come in the back like this once you are done, and then you can store all your diabetic pen and things in here in the middle, and then put it in the center. So now this will just give the cold temperature and maintain the temperature for some time so that your things will be fine. So it's a really nice zipper thing where you can easily take it anywhere and then store stuff. As you can see in the corner thing, you can also use this gel pack inside and then the better things. So there's a nice space and then nice working thing, which is really handy to take care of the stuff. So here are the instructions as I explained. So very nice insulin bag.